Mountain. Stand with feet together, pressing all four corners of each foot into the floor. Stack your head over your shoulders and shoulders over your tailbone. Mountain promotes calm, improves posture, and aligns your spine. Waterfall. Breathe in and raise your arms over your head, bending back as far as possible without hyperextending your back. Waterfall stretches the back muscles and hip flexors, helps open up the chest and shoulders, builds strength and power in the legs, core, and arms. It increases flexibility and awareness of the spine, improves posture, and helps alleviate back and neck pain. Swan. Arch your torso away from your thighs and push your glutes back. Swan stretches the front torso, strengthens the back, improves posture, and stimulates the belly. Gorilla. Drop the head and press your fingers under your feet, lifting the tailbones to the sky. You can bend your legs and, when possible, straighten them as much as possible. Gorilla allows fresh blood to circulate, opens the hamstrings, centers and calms, and stretches the back. Plank. Position wrists directly under shoulders. Lift the legs and push the heels back, resting on the ball of the feet. Draw the navel to the spine and hold the body strong, like a straight plank. Plank increases stamina and persistence, improves posture, strengthens the arms, back, wrists, legs, and core. Side plank tones the entire upper body, strengthens the back muscles, especially the lumbar area, develops a sense of balance, strengthens the arms, wrists, legs, and abdominal walls. Make sure when you're doing the side plank that you are a bit in an angle and you don't put all the weight directly on your wrists. So that way you distribute the weight a little bit more toward your feet to help relieve the tension on your wrist. Lizard. Begin from the plank position and lower yourself onto your elbows. Elbows over your shoulders. Lizard helps build tremendous arm strength and creates confidence. Cobra or baby snake. Make sure your elbows are over your shoulder, you're keeping your chin leveled, your belly is touching the floor, and you're lifting your shoulders up. You can stay on your elbows or you can push up. Cobra strengthens the legs, arms, glutes, and shoulders, stretches muscles in the shoulders, chest, and abdominals, decreases stiffness in the lower back, increases flexibility, and invigorates the heart. Downward dog. Tuck your head under as you straighten your legs so your body forms an inverted V. Walk the feet hip width apart. Fully extend the arms, pressing the fingers and the heels into the mat. Downward dog strengthens the arms and releases the shoulder, stretches the hamstrings, the palms, and the calves, energizes the body, calms and stimulates the brain. Warrior 2. Open the hips sideways, turning the back foot out to the side. Reach both arms out parallel to your legs as you reach forward. Warrior 2 strengthens the legs and the arms, increases concentration, opens the shoulders, and expands the chest. Triangle. Reach your hand up to the sky and the other hand down to your leg. You're forming a triangle with your legs. Triangle strengthens the legs and stretches the back and improves balance. Angle. Extend your arms straight out from the shoulders, parallel to the floor, with the palm of your hand facing down. Angle strengthens and stretches the legs, knees, and ankles, stretches the growing spine, waist, chest, lungs, and shoulders, stimulates abdominal organs, and increases stamina. Warrior 1. With both feet facing forward, bend the left leg so the knee stacks over the heel. Allow the tailbone to drop as both arms reach straight up to the sky. Warrior 1 strengthens the legs and arms, creates confidence, and energizes your spine. Crescent lunge twist. Take the right elbow over the left leg and use the arm as a lever to press against the outer left thigh. Release the elbow back. Turn the head to look up to the sky. Crescent lunge twist strengthens the legs and arms and creates confidence. You have two ways of doing it. You can bend your leg into the ground, or if you want to do the pose, which is a little bit more advanced, if you want to call it that, you can leave the back leg straight and repeat the same procedure. Warrior 3. Bend the right leg, then lift it up behind your body. As your back leg lifts, your body leans forward so you become aligned. Warrior 3 strengthens the legs and arms and releases nervous energy. Focus your eyes on something that will not move in front to help keep the balance and stability. You will now repeat the sun salutation and the warriors on the opposite side of the body with no guidance, just music. Enjoy. There is a modified form for each pose. You can make it easier or more difficult, but that I can only do when I'm instructing you personally. What I have done now is just made a basic form. It's not the most difficult pose and it's not the easiest, but later on in the classes I can adjust it for each person's level. So do what you can, and always remember to stay within your edge. Do not overdo it and do not underdo it. Myself, as a PGA Golf Pro, I've found yoga has helped me with flexibility, strength, balance, core conditioning, breath awareness, focus, relaxation, and visualization. I have not included breath work, relaxation, or visualization on this video, but later on in class I will make sure I incorporate it all. I hope you find this as useful as I have found it. Also notice that I'm holding each pose for about 20 seconds. You can adjust this to your ability. You can start with 5 seconds, then go to 10, then go to 15, then go to 20. So adjust it to your level and slowly increase your level. Namaste. My shining light honors your shining light. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed Yoga for Golfers.